Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to safely remove a Ford Ranger windshield. Before beginning, prioritize your safety by wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, including sturdy safety glasses and cut-resistant gloves. It is also crucial to cover your defroster vents with duct tape to prevent any tiny glass shards from entering your vehicle's ventilation system during the removal process. A clear and organized workspace is essential for a smooth operation. To begin, you will need a specialized windshield removal wire kit, a trim removal tool, and a sharp utility knife. Start by carefully removing any exterior trim pieces, such as the cowl and wiper arms, along with the A-pillar trim. These components are often held by clips. Once the trim is off, apply several layers of masking tape around the windshield's perimeter. This simple step provides crucial protection for your vehicle's paintwork against accidental scratches. Now it's time to tackle the urethane adhesive. Carefully pierce the seal, either from the inside or outside, using a specialized tool or a sharp pick. Once a small hole is made, thread your cutting wire through it. Attach the wire to two handles, one for you and one for a helper. Using a steady, sawing motion, work your way around the entire windshield frame, cutting through the thick urethane bead. Maintain consistent tension to ensure a clean cut. Once the urethane adhesive is completely cut around all four sides, the windshield should be free. With the help of your partner, carefully lift the windshield away from the vehicle and set it aside. Next, use a sharp scraper to remove any remaining urethane adhesive from the pinch weld area, aiming for a clean, flush surface. Thoroughly clean the entire area, and if any bare metal is exposed, apply an automotive primer to prevent rust and ensure proper adhesion for the new windshield.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.